Alright folks, this is a quick video on how to recalibrate your accelerator pedal after replacement on this is a 2001 F250 7.3 liter you're looking at. I believe you can use the same procedure on some of the gas ones if you need to recalibrate the gas pedal on there as well. But for this video, we're doing it on a 2001 7.3 liter F250. Alright, so I had the usual problems. One day I started my truck, started up fine, and then pushed the accelerator pedal down and nothing happened. So there's many videos online already on how to actually replace the accelerator pedal assembly. All right, as you can see it's right up in here. It's pretty easy. Do not go to Ford to have this done because they're just gonna rip you off. You see it's pretty easy. It unbolts right there. If you have one of the, there's two actual different assemblies for this. So just make sure you get the right one for your vehicle. So anyway, I had this replaced, right? Unfortunately, like me, I took it to Ford to get it replaced because my truck was dead and I had to tow something the next day. And long story short, I didn't get it back quickly. They took their time, like 2 weeks. The guy couldn't figure out what it was until I was reading online, and I figured out that it was the pedal. I told him that, he replaced it, and I got charged an obscene amount of money. So onto the calibration part. So I got the truck back, but the first time I got it out on the highway, I realized like I was lacking the last 25% or 30% of throttle, which was crazy. Like when you're really towing, you need that last 25% of throttle. So the procedure for recalibrating the pedal is as follows. It's pretty simple. Just put your key in, right? Turn it to the on position. Don't start the truck, all right? Once you have everything stabilized, all the gauges stabilized, what you're gonna do is take your foot and push it gradually all the way down to the bottom, right? So my foot down there, I'm just gonna push it down, the pedal to the floor. It's down on the floor. I'm going to release it, and then I'm going to turn the key off. Right? That's all you have to do to recalibrate the pedal. You know, turn the key on until the gauges stabilize. Right? Once they all stabilize, gradually and evenly, just push down on the accelerator till you bottom it out. Release it back up to the top. Just let off of it, and then turn the key off, and that should recalibrate your pedal. And for me, it was noticeable as soon as I did it. My pedal I had full acceleration again. So I'll start my truck up now. I just touch it, and RPMs go right up. I could floor it before, and it would gradually creep up. Now I have full throttle again. So it's just a quick procedure on how to recalibrate your pedal if you replace it yourself. Afterwards, you feel like you don't have full throttle there. You figure the dealership would do it, but they don't. So instead of taking it back again, just figured out how to do it. All right, thanks.